Top 10 Ways to Invest Money. In today's fast-paced world, simply saving money isn't enough. With inflation, stagnant interest rates, and the rise of digital finance, it's critical to make your money work for you. Smart investing not only grows your wealth but also provides financial security, freedom, and the potential for passive income. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the right strategy can help you achieve your financial goals faster. 1. Stock market investments. The stock market remains one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. By purchasing shares in companies, you're essentially becoming a part owner and profiting as the business grows. Long-term investors often benefit from compound growth, dividend payouts, and capital appreciation. With the advent of fractional shares and online brokerages, it's now easier than ever to get started, even with a small amount of money. However, success in the stock market requires patience, research, and emotional discipline. You must understand how to assess companies, monitor market trends, and diversify your holdings to minimize risk. While market volatility can be intimidating, history shows that equities have outperformed most other asset classes over the long run. By staying consistent and informed, your stock market investments can yield significant returns. Stock market investing involves buying shares in public companies. Over time, the value of these shares can increase, providing both income through dividends and capital gains. Diversification and long-term focus are essential for reducing risk and maximizing returns. 2. Real estate investment. Real estate is a powerful and tangible investment that offers multiple income streams, including rental income, property appreciation, and tax advantages. Whether it's residential, commercial, or vacation properties, real estate has historically provided solid returns. Owning property allows investors to leverage borrowed capital, mortgages, and increase ROI over time. Furthermore, rental income provides consistent cash flow, which can be reinvested or used to pay down debt. Real estate also offers protection against inflation, as property values and rents typically rise over time. Despite its advantages, investing in property requires a significant upfront investment, ongoing maintenance, and market knowledge. 3. Mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are ideal for investors who prefer a hands-off approach. These funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. The biggest advantage is diversification, which reduces risk while providing broad market exposure. ETFs are particularly attractive because they trade like stocks and often come with lower fees than mutual funds. Managed by professional portfolio managers, these funds can follow specific investment themes such as tech, healthcare, or emerging markets. They're a great choice for retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks due to their simplicity and performance potential. However, it's still important to research the fund's expense ratio, past performance, and asset allocation strategy. Mutual funds and ETFs are an excellent way to invest without the need for constant oversight. 4. Cryptocurrency investments. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a high-risk, high-reward asset class that's reshaping global finance. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and newer coins offer decentralized, digital alternatives to traditional money. These assets run on blockchain technology, providing transparency, speed, and autonomy. While still volatile, cryptocurrencies have delivered extraordinary returns for early adopters. Today, more institutional investors are entering the space, lending credibility and increasing adoption. Investors can buy and hold coins, stake tokens for passive rewards, or explore decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. However, the crypto market is speculative and can fluctuate wildly in response to news, regulation, or sentiment. Due diligence, security precautions, and risk management are crucial. With careful allocation, crypto can be a small but potentially rewarding part of your investment portfolio. Cryptocurrency investment involves digital coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. While risky and volatile, crypto offers high growth potential. It's ideal for investors willing to take calculated risks and understand blockchain technology. 5. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. For risk-averse investors, High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer secure, steady returns. These accounts are insured by the FDIC in the US and typically pay higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. High-yield accounts provide flexibility, while CDs require locking your money in for a fixed term but often offer better returns. Although the gains are modest compared to stocks or crypto, they offer peace of mind and capital preservation. These options are ideal for emergency funds or short-term savings goals. As interest rates rise, these instruments become more attractive. 6. Bonds and fixed income securities. Bonds and other fixed income investments offer predictable returns and lower volatility. When you invest in a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government, municipality, or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of principal at maturity. Bonds come in various forms: government, municipal, and corporate, with differing risk levels and yields. They are particularly attractive in retirement portfolios due to their stability and income generation. As interest rates fluctuate, bond prices can be affected, but their predictable income stream remains a key draw for conservative investors. Including bonds in your investment mix can smooth out the ups and downs of more volatile assets like stocks. In uncertain economic times, bonds often serve as a safe haven, making them a fundamental part of a diversified portfolio. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals to lend money directly to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. This cutting-edge investment option bypasses traditional banks, enabling higher returns for lenders and more flexible terms for borrowers. Platforms like LendingClub or Prosper vet borrowers and assign them risk ratings, giving investors control over where to allocate their funds. While returns can be attractive, often between 6% to 12%, they come with the risk of borrower default. 8. Investing in your own business. Entrepreneurship remains one of the most rewarding and personalized ways to invest money. Starting or growing your own business allows you to create value, generate income, and build long-term equity. Whether it's a brick-and-mortar store, an online brand, or a service-based venture, your business reflects your passion, skills, and market understanding. Although launching a business comes with risk, it offers potentially limitless upside and control over your financial destiny. You can reinvest profits, scale operations, and diversify income streams. 9. Precious metals, gold and silver. Precious metals like gold and silver have long been considered safe haven assets, especially during times of economic instability. They preserve value and serve as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. Investors can buy physical bullion, coins, ETFs, or mining stocks. While metals don't generate income like stocks or real estate, they provide stability and security. Their value often rises when other markets are underperforming, making them a key diversification tool. 10. Index funds. Index funds are one of the most effective, low-cost investment options for long-term wealth creation. These funds track market indices like the S&P 500, offering exposure to a wide range of top-performing companies. They're passively managed, which means lower fees and more consistent performance over time. Index funds eliminate the guesswork of picking individual stocks and instead rely on broad market trends. They are ideal for retirement accounts, long-term portfolios, and investors who prefer simplicity with reliable growth. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.